Hello everyone, Sam is here from my first magicweb.com. Just recording this video, making this video to do my weekly recap, sort of. All right, so let's get started. Make it quick, small. This is pound Aussie. All of these trades that I'm showing, all the setups using my system, Magic IB system, is based on the analysis which I do and all my members get all those analysis and learn how to do that uh, in my live webinars. I just finished one hour and 20-minute webinar explaining every single chart pair which we trade, 8 or maybe 10 pairs, and went over every single one of them and indexes and explain and answer the questions and everything in my live webinar for the week starting today in the evening. Today is Sunday, by the way, Sunday afternoon. So this is how it is. So this is the last week trades, and are all based on my analysis, and all my charts work very fine, very nicely, and we had some really good trades. So this is pound Aussie, and the beginning of the week on Monday. You can see this Magic IB system. This was an entry. This is an entry. This is an entry. This is the one I'm showing here. This one here. See this entry here, right here after the setup, and then you could take this one, and so on and so forth. Next, it's all random here. I messed up kind of. This is Euro Aussie the same day because Aussie strength was in play, and again hitting this red line setup. This is the setup. This is the setup all the way down. You can take all of these entries very easily. Very nice setup. You see the candles, blue candles, red candles, back into the yellow and black area is the key. When you're retracing back into that area and coming out with the red candles, and the indicator is all the way up. That's it. You open the trade and you go all the way. This was on the 7th. I just showed you anything on the 8th. No, I see here on the 9th, pound yen. Pound yen, I discussed early in the beginning of the week that it's going to go up. We had a nice weekly chart setup that is going to go up hundreds of pips, and it did. Also, euro yen as well. I didn't trade euro yen this week. I'm going to trade, but not last week, even though I went up. But pound yen was more expecting, and I was expecting something out of it, and it did. Because of the very nicely Elliott wave count we had. So this one was a trade, and on the 9th, this is on the 10th. You can see this is on the 11th. And what else do I have here? This is the March 11th trade, and this is the 7th pound yen on the 7th, coming down. March 7th. March 9th. Then 10th was a big day, Thursday, and there was a reason. Let me show you what the reason is, because if you know what you're doing, the life become very easy. So this was the chart. See, I start tracking from there, right? I was long from here. I've been longing it. See, this is the Elliott wave. So this is like wave 1, 2, 3, and I said wave 4. We need to come down here. And when it is start, then I open my trade. Simple as that. So see, pound yen going down. Okay, so it came down, then it went up again, and then start coming down again, and then I went down again. No big deal, right? Simple as that. Then I said fourth wave is finished, and then wave 5 is going to be there. So I had several entries here going to the upside, and the final target was, as I mentioned in my webinar, 63. 86 to the upside. It's a monthly number, monthly low. So you can see from here, it went up, and this is one of the entry on the 9th. Then it start going up. This is all the entries on the 10th. Okay, and then finally There was an entry on 11th as well. It's not in here, but I can show you here. A pound yen entry on 11th. This is the 10th. This is the 11th. Again, retrace a little bit and then bouncing from the same black and yellow line. Everything is perfectly fine, and then make an entry and go all the way to 63.86. Remember I just told you? So this is how it is. It came close to this number, 63. So I closed all of those from the 10th. Then it dipped a little bit and then gave me an entry and then went up to 63.86 now. So this is how easy it is with analysis. In a couple of months you can learn and become master of this whole system. Not only Magic IB system, but how to do the analysis of weekly, monthly analysis. Maybe I'll show you something. For example, if you don't trade, I don't want to make my for example, pound index. See why I took pound yen to the long side, because I was expecting a strength in pound index. These are the charts I made. I explained my members, and we take it from there. So it becomes very easy if you know. And by the way, this one, like let's say for example, this one USDX. I have a chart, Euro USD. I didn't trade it, but a lot of my subscriber did, because we were expecting an up move there based on this index, USD index, that is gonna drop. And just look what happened to that. This is the as of today, Sunday. So it dropped all the way I showed. So once you know what's happening, indexes and the pairs, and then if they start moving, all you got to do is if they start moving in your direction, all you got to do is take entries using Magic IB system, proper setups with very small 25 pip SL, and that's about it. And the pair moves daily ranges for some of the pair like pound Aussie, Euro Aussie, pound yen. The daily range is more than 200 pip. So even if you get 100 pip from each pair, that's more than enough, right? All right, so this is it for now. I just wanted to show you guys how I did. Very easy setup, very easy strategy. Okay, and look at that. It goes all the way, hit this area, this white line, the SN, a support or resistance, something, and then drop. All you gotta do is take your entries from there. Okay, so if you like what you saw, just go on my website, subscribe, and get all these charts. I just finished. I convert the recording, and I'm gonna send out the recording for my webinar, where I explain the whole next week what's going to happen, and what are the pairs to look and to trade, and how we're gonna trade. What are the levels to watch? And after this webinar, I'll be sending all those monthly, weekly charts and other important things in the mail to my subscribers. So if you want to start, just go on my website and become a subscriber and start. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.